If you're planning on staying at Ibis Budget at Sydney Airport, I will walk you through the whole room so you know exactly what to expect at this hotel before you fly from Sydney Airport. Hello and welcome back to another Travel 101 experience. Before we get started, we would love to know where you're watching from. Let us know in the comments below. Recently, I had an early flight from Sydney Airport and decided to stay at Ibis Budget. I paid $229 for a Queen Classic room just for one night. To get to the hotel, I walked for about 10 minutes from their domestic airport. It was very easy to find at night, and there were plenty of signs to all the airport hotels as they are around the same area. When I arrived at the hotel, I was quickly checked in and headed straight up to my room. Initial first impressions of the room is it felt very simple and had mostly everything I needed. The bathroom was clean and modern, and everything looked very well maintained. The shower did have some body wash available, they were the only additional toiletries they had. I was quite surprised that I didn't actually find a hairdryer in there though. In the bedroom, there was a fridge and a tea and coffee station, and it was stocked up with a few different teas, coffee, sugar, and there was some milk in the fridge. Next to the bed, they had a desk with PowerPoints on them, and there was a TV across from the bed. Downstairs, there was a common area with a couch and a kitchen next to it. There was a coffee station in the kitchen, microwave, and kettle. I was surprised to even find a laundry, which I thought was quite handy. And there was a vending machine with a few snacks and drinks as well. I only had the one night staying at the Ibis Budget, and I found it was a convenient place to stay for my early flight the next day. We hope you found my walkthrough staying at Ibis Budget at Sydney Airport helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to stay up to date with all my Travel 101 experiences. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video.